Hello, my name is Erwa from the Frosted Bookshop, The Fabs. Today I'll be introducing one of our products to you called the Fabs Mini Frosted Kits. Here we go. So what is a frosted kit? A frosted kit is actually a collection of items that are needed to take care of somebody who has suddenly become ill or somebody who has been injured in the absence or when there is no accessible professional medical help or pending the time professional medical help is assessed. So an ensemble of those items in a container is called a frosted kit. So we have different kinds of frosted kits. You have frosted boxes, those in boxes, those in pouches, those in bags, those in sling bags or waist pouches. Today we're talking about the one that is this little, the Fabs Mini Frosted Kit, aka minis, or the Fabs Minis. Now the issue is this: when a medical emergency happens, most of the time we are not prepared, and the truth is that it doesn't take much to be prepared for a medical emergency. Sorry, what you really need is first aid skills and then first aid kit. Two things you need. I have a story. Some years ago I went for a baby's birthday party with a friend of mine. While we were there, before the food arrived, I had a migraine headache. It was so bad. I even started crying. I eventually had to go home without eating, and then when I got home, I took my meds. But I promise you that will never happen again, because every time I'm stepping out of my house, I always have my first aid kit with me. Sometimes if I'm carrying a bag, yeah, I must have my first aid kit with me. This is what it looks like, the Fabs Mini. It comes with this tag. This tag contains the items in the kit, and then behind it you have a Fab nugget, as in a Fab tip, a first aid tip really, that tells you what to do when a certain medical emergency happens. So for this one, it's mental health. It tells you what to do when there is a mental health crisis. Yeah, I'll show you what is in my Fabs Mini frosted kit. So it contains tweezers, gauze, plaster strips, paracetamol tablets, crepe bandage, soap wipe, alcohol wipes, a pair of scissors, cotton bud applicators, triangular bandage, cotton wool, gloves. It has 2 pairs of gloves, safety pin, antiseptic wipes, and then, peculiar to me, I have included my meds for migraine. So you might be somebody who suffers for something else. Maybe you suffer certain allergies. You want to move around with your antihistamine so that when the allergy happens, you're not left in the dark groping for what to do. You might be somebody who has a very sensitive tummy. You want to move around with your OTC anti-diarrhea. Yeah. So the Fabs Mini comes in very handy for minor injuries and for maybe minor medical conditions. It fits in very nicely into a bag. This is my bag. See? Fits in very nicely into the bag. It can also fit into your briefcase, into your laptop bag, into your sling bag, and what have you. You don't want to be caught napping when you have a medical emergency. Give us a call, send us a message, and we'll hook you up. So the minis come in a variety of designs. So you have the Ankara designs here. Beautiful, right? We also have this design. Beautiful. We also have the plain fabrics, yeah. The baby pink, blue, army green, fuchsia pink, and then red. So tell us, what's your flavor? Give us a call, send us a message, and we'll hook you up. Whatever your flavor is, we got you covered. Thank you. Stay safe.